my respect for indie filmmakers and indie films in general kasi hindi yung pera-pera yung dahilan nila. It's really their passion and love for their craft. Tsaka talagang gusto ko maka-experience ng indie filmmaking na makasali as an actor. In fact, na sobrang believe ko na co-produce talaga ako para ano. And I believe so much in Direct Mess. Nung nag-meeting kami, may offer. Hindi naman ako makikipag-meeting kung hindi ko nagustuhan yung parang summary na pinadala niya yung synopsis ng story. Uy, nakakaiba. Parang may element na fantasy, pero ano siya, napaka-mapuso. Tapos, ang nakakatawa lang, since summary lang, sa buong pag-aakala ko talaga drama. Pagdating ko dito, sumuy mo yung eksena ko. Tawang-tawa ako sa pinagkagagawa talaga namin. Very happy ako. So kahit kanina, yung parang kausap niya, bigla akong nawawala. Yung mga ganun ba? O kaya may drama, biglang masisira. Hindi ko na ikikwento. Nakakatuwa. Ang ganda ng ano niya, story. Tapos nung nakipag-meeting ako, binigyan niya akong copies ng movies ng The Road to Palimugtong at saka Ang Kwento ni Mabuti. Tapos talagang pinanood ko. Sabi ko, ang galing naman yung Ate Guy, nakalimutan ko Bicolana siya kasi nag-Iilocano siya doon. Ay, ma-appreciate mo yung Peach, panoorin mo. Yun ang respeto ko sa kanila. Yung, it's really the passion and the love for the craft. It's not just the money. Thank you kung kumita. Pero it's really yung artistry na dahan-dahan, natutuwa akong dahan-dahan, natututunang appreciated ng movie-going public, diba? So I'm very happy about that. I'm proud of that. And I'm proud. Oh my God, these are serious filmmakers, just like, you know, yung mga nakatrabaho ko na. But a lot of them do it with a limited budget, do films with limited budgets, but they're able to come up with some masterpieces. So it's super impressive and I'm very honored to be part of this. Very, very fun. Napakatawa lang kami ng tawa. Tapos, nung una feeling